Thank you very much, Ian Zauzau. My respected colleagues, urgent need to address the generating security situation in Edumoro and particular constituency, and immediately set up a military base in order to cope the influence and activities of armed bandits and kidnappers in Edumoro particular constituency. The House note that Kwara State is one of the most peaceful states in the north-central part of the country, and also have been a major player in agricultural production in both rainy and dry season. House also note that the peace and security remain the bedrock of every form of development in the society. Without society will regress to the state of nature. House is aware that Edumoro Patigi local government area share boundary with Kogi, Niger State, both which have had their bitter experience with armed banditry and kidnapping for ransom. House is also informed of the very recent introduction of banditry and kidnapping activities to Edu and particular local government area of Kwara State. In the early hours of Sunday, 29th of June 2005, a well-known agrochemical dealer, popularly referred to Alhaji Chemical, was abducted by heavy armed bandits from his house along Taiwo Road, Lafayette, Agitan. During the said abduction, the armed bandits overpowered the hunters in a gun duel due to superior firepower, and this led to serious panic in Lafayette and its environs. Similarly, a POS operator was also reported abducted by the armed bandits in Lafayette. The House also informed that barely hours after Lafayette abduction, another attack was reported in Kokodo village in border community between Edu and Patigi local government area, where two Hausa men were kidnapped in the early hours of Monday, while a teenage girl was fortunately escaped from the bandits, and a resident who tried to raise alarm during the attack was, however, shot by the armed bandits. These incidents followed closely on the heels of the deadly attack to Lile village in Patigi local government area, where several residents were killed and the bandits demanded for 200 million ransom from the community. Mr. Speaker, I was also alarmed that the spate of abduction have triggered the great disconnect, especially among the youth in Edu and the particular local government, who have taken to the street to protest the situation. If not checked, immediately can further degenerate into another security concern. Recalls that primary purpose of government remain the security and the welfare of people as enshrined in Section 14(2)(b) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. Concerned that if security situation in Edumoro and Patigi are not checked immediately, the loss of lives and properties will escalate, and agricultural activities and economic activities will completely crippled. I believe that there's an urgent need to deploy security resources to Edu, Moro, and the particular local government in order to cope the activities of armed bandits and kidnappers in this area. Mr. Speaker, sir, they also resolved to hold the Ministry of Defense and Defense Headquarters to immediately set up a military base in Edu, Moro, and the particular local government area of Kwara State in order to cope the activities of armed bandits and the kidnappers in the affected areas. 2, urge the Inspector General of Police to direct immediately intervention of his men and officers to cope the activities of armed bandits and kidnappers in the affected area. All the Director General, Department of State Security Services to urgently prioritize intelligence gathering in Edu, Moro, and the particular local government area of Kwara State in order to support the security agencies to curb the activities of armed bandits and the kidnappers in the affected area. 4, mandate the House Committee on Defense, Police Affairs, National Security and Intelligence, and legislative compliance to ensure compliance with this resolve. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Palas, please.
Any seconder?